Half a year ago, Motorola unveiled the Moto G71, G51, G41 and G31. Now a new cycle is beginning. We already saw the Moto G22 go official earlier this month. Now Evan Blass has some details about the G52 to share. The Motorola Moto G52 doesn't sound like a sequel to the Moto G51 5G. For starters, it doesn't support 5G. In fact, it is so different that it is more like an upgraded Moto G41. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 680, a 6nm revamp of the 662. This is actually less capable than the Snapdragon 480 Plus inside the G51 5G. It has Cortex A73 and A53 derived core and Adreno 610, plus the 4G only modem. The only downside of the 480 Plus is the older 8nm node that it was built on, making it less efficient. The chipset will be paired with 4 or 6 gigs of RAM and 128 or 256 gigs of storage, and will run Android 12 out of the box. Moving on, the Moto G52 will allegedly have a 6.55-inch pOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 90Hz refresh rate. That is almost completely different from the 6.8-inch 120Hz IPS LCD of the G51 5G. The camera department includes a 50-megapixel main module on the back, joined by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The 16-megapixel selfie camera will be punch-holed into the display. This does sound a lot like the G51 5G camera setup, actually. Finally, the phone will pack a 5000 mAh battery. No word on fast charging yet. The body will be rated IP52 for dust and splash resistance, and judging by the image above, it will have stereo speakers. The Motorola Moto G51 5G has an MSRP of €230, but is currently down to €190 on the company's official site. The G41 has a tougher to swallow €250 price tag. We expect to see the new Moto G52 fall in the same price category. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel and leave a short comment. I will be grateful to you. See you soon.